Where are you?
100.
Daniel, come with me.
I don't know, where are you?
Sniper.
Okay.
Over here.
100.
I'm running
See
with
ya.
you.
10 o'clock. Enemy.
Where's Emily?
Soldier. 100.
Oops.
I don't know. Let's try to flank it from the right.
Well, Alfredo, I've already
Enemy.
taken the whole one.
Sniper. 100.
Why is it throwing grenades? Why can't I shoot?
100.
Emily, are you dead?
11 o'clock. Enemy. 18
Yeah,
soldiers.
I'm very confused.
Where the fuck is she?
Injured.
Got it. You use the
Down.
trench stuff. You use these the middle mouse button.
Down.
I keep
And then
throwing
the-
grenades. Stop throwing grenades.
Push space, Emily.
Oh god!
Focus.
He killed me.
I'm dead.
It's
Daniel,
down.
Daniel, alright, get ready.
Oh
Make my gun.
no. 1. It's down.
All right, what happened there? Why am I
You-
floating? I'm like in the air.
Okay.
You're a bird now. Alright, I took one down.
All right, I'm in the air and I'm
I'm
floating.
out of ammo.
Because you're a bird now, Emily. When you die, you turn into a bird.
I'm a
Well,
bird.
your whole
Hell yeah.
squad is dead, Emily, I remind you. Your whole squad is dead. Oh shit.
Okay, fall back behind the church if you can.
Alright, I got 2 of my men down.
Oh damn, I'm falling back behind the church.
Dude,
That's just
fuck.
natural.
I'm shot.
Alright, I got a law. I got a law. I got a law. One. La 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 la. Where's it?
Wallow, wallow. Okay, hold on.
Woo!
Oh, that one down.
I got one.
Alright guys, well that is it for this episode, and as you see I am playing the Impossible game next, but that's in another video. But thank you guys for watching, and if it seemed like the little scenes were kind of thrown in there randomly, I guess they kind of were, because it took me a long time to edit. I started editing at 2 o'clock and it's now 9 o'clock. So just to give you a little idea of how long it actually takes to edit even a 2-minute, 3-minute video. So please, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up. Just please subscribe if you'd like, and watch tomorrow's video. Okay, bye.